practical tips to boost your English speaking skills. Hello friends, and welcome back to EduSparkEnglish, where speaking English becomes fun, fearless, and totally possible. Today, we're diving into simple and powerful tips to help you speak English with more confidence, clarity, and joy, no matter your level. Tip 1. Confidence over perfection. Don't wait to speak until you're perfect. Speak anyway. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the more fluent you'll become. Tip 2. Understand your mistakes. There are two kinds of mistakes. Slips. You know the word, but say the wrong one. No problem. Knowledge gaps. You don't know the word. Time to learn it. Tip 3. Train your mouth. Improve pronunciation by singing English songs, repeating after native speakers, and practicing minimal pairs, like ship and sheep. Tip 4. Use your whole body. Over 50% of communication is nonverbal. Smile, use hand gestures, and keep eye contact to make your message clear, even with few words. Tip 5. Think in English. Start by labeling things around you, talking to yourself, or thinking in simple sentences like, "I'm hungry," or "the sun is bright." Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Tip 6. Prepare to talk. Make a mind map for a topic like food, school, or travel. List words you know and those you need to learn. This helps you talk more naturally. Tip 7. Speak with people, join language meetups, do language exchanges, or talk online. Speak regularly with people who can help you practice. Final thought. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be understood. Speak bravely, smile often, and keep going. That's how fluency grows. Let's check. True or false? 1. Mistakes are a natural part of learning to speak a new language. 2. It's best to wait until your English is perfect before you start speaking. 3. Body language can help you express yourself when you don't know a word. 4. Singing in English can improve your pronunciation. 5. Thinking in English helps reduce your habit of translating from your native language. Let's apply. Choose a topic you enjoy, e.g., food, travel, hobbies. Create a mind map of what you want to say. Mark known and unknown words. Practice speaking it in front of a mirror. Record yourself, then listen and correct any mistakes.